Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 4th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. But it's a great Tuesday evening. Everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48. Your local forecast is included. Also, we're going to take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map, and also we're going to talk about some severe weather in this video as well. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the tropics, and you can see we have a few little tropical waves to monitor over here in the MDR region. Nothing to write home about, just a few clusters of showers and storms. Scattered activity over South America. This little cluster here that we were watching last night kind of moved over Central America, starting to move over into the Eastern Pacific, and you can see a line of showers and storms stretching from over here near the Hawaiian Chain Islands, stretching back towards Central America. A little bit of activity in the northwestern portion of the Caribbean, a little bit across Cuba and the Florida Keys toward the northwest Bahamas. Another storm system here up here around St. John's Island continue to push away. Then we got more atmospheric river moving into the Pacific Northwest over here across Washington, Oregon State, Northern California to areas of Idaho and Nevada. The more activity stretching from Wyoming all the way over to South Canada, stretching through Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Michigan regions as well. As another cold front continues to drop off to the south and east. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And we're going to be taking a look at your local forecast, and it should be rolling out something like this here. Just a few minutes. This will be your... Well, let's go back. It rolled out Thursday forecast, but we're going to try to get back to Wednesday outlook. Take just a minute or two. And it should be rolling out like this here for November the 5th. Okay, having a little computer issues. The computer a little slow, I see. So, but here we go. Finally came up. I'm with some mixed precipitation for portions of Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont, New York State, down toward Pennsylvania. Shower activity from New Brunswick, Maine, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, over here, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Also northern Michigan region. You've got some mixed precipitation in Michigan as well. Got some more mixed precipitation and shower activity across Montana, Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, to Nevada to California. Thunderstorms and showers for Central California up to Washington State. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. And I forgot to say, got some shower activity across South Florida. Alright, now let's see if we can roll back to your Thursday outlook now. It may take a few minutes here. Should be rolling that out here shortly. Okay, we're still waiting, so okay, starting to roll some of this stuff out here on the map. We got some thunderstorms and showers down here across southeast Florida. More thunderstorms and showers over here for California, Oregon, and Washington State in the Eastern Pacific, right on the coastal areas there as well. Thunderstorms and showers for portions of Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, portions of Iowa, and also Missouri. Got some shower activity over northern Arkansas. Shower activity up here in eastern Maine. Mixed precipitation there as well, stretching in New Hampshire, Vermont. Also some more shower activity across Lake Huron, Lake Superior, southeast Canada to South Canada through North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan region as well. Shower activity across South Dakota, Montana, also Wyoming, and also portions of Nevada, Idaho, Washington, and Oregon State. Mixed precipitation also in that region as well, stretching from Colorado to Wyoming to Montana, Utah, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. And it should be rolling out something look like this. Here we go. We got some wind advisory and high wind watches up here in areas of Vermont to Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, to New York State, to Pennsylvania. Also more wind advisories and high wind watches and warnings that we're here in in portions of Oregon, Nevada, California region. Got some flood watches and flood advisories there as well. Mixed winter weather advisories over northern Washington State. High wind warnings, watches in effect portion of Montana. Red flag warnings over here in areas of Nebraska. Also, we have some special weather statements for portions up here for areas of Washington D.C., Maryland, also down into areas of Virginia and North Carolina. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning, storm warning from Maine to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, South Florida to the Florida Keys, Southern California to Washington State. The purple areas, like I said, on both sides are storm warning. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Freezer spray warnings to the north. Small craft advisories to the south. And inland Alaska looks like some special weather statements for you guys. Alright, severe weather perspective. It's going to roll out like this, and we're going to show you the marginal risk areas. We have a marginal risk for Northern California to Medford to Eugene to Portland. And then again from over here just north of Cleveland up to Buffalo, Rochester, also to Albany, Springfield, Scranton, Pennsylvania. Marginal risk, general thunderstorm from Watertown to Boston. Then again from Reddings up to Seattle, Washington. Then from Pedal to Spokane. Tornado probability looks like this. 2% from Portland to Eugene to Medford. Damaging winds look like this. 5%. And also large hail. 5% over here along the west coast. Alright, now let's move on to the National Hurricane Center, and we're going to take a look at the tropics one more time, and it should roll out like this with tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.